Ebusiafo, welcome back to the channel. Please, let's take a look at this video.
They must leave Ghana, they must leave South Africa, they must leave all African countries.
They are pulling the Nigerian Igbo village in South Africa down.
Nigeria has built in this country by force without the landlords.
All of these people are claiming to have a government of Nigerians. They are claiming to have a Nigerian state in South Africa.
Whoa.
The very same things that Ghana residents are chasing Nigerians away from
Ghana to South Africa.
They are doing the same in South Africa. Africa, listen to me. Africans, let me tell you something. Africa, listen to me. Africa,
we are listening.
Listen to me.
We are listening.
If we want South Africa, if we want Africa to be free, if we want Africa to prosper, if we want Africa to be successful, Nigeria is a problem of Africa. We must do away, boycott Nigeria. Nigeria is the one that is giving Africa and the whole
Nigeria
of
is the giant of Africa
a bad name all over the world. We must make sure that we deal decisively with Nigerians. Nigerians are evil. Nigerians are demons.
No.
Nigerians don't have good intentions for Africa as a whole.
That is over the bar.
They feel entitled.
That is hatred.
They think they're smart. They think that they are better than all Africans. Nigeria is a problem of Africa. Wake up, Africans. Wake up. They are a problem in Ghana. Nigerians are a problem in Ghana. Nigerians are a problem in Kenya. Nigerians are a problem in South Africa. Nigerians are a problem everywhere. Whether it's African countries, whether it's Western countries, Nigerians are a problem. They are the demons of this world.
Guys, as you can see, this is coming from a South African. Yeah. Nigerians are giving people problems all over the world. Like now, everyone is, tired of their behavior and they want them back to their country. So the problem right now is that Nigerians are fighting back. They don't want to return back to their countries because of the investment and, the structures they've built already, in that very country they are in. So this incident happened in South Africa, and as you can see, there are Demolition Igbo community in South Africa, and they brought out a list. From the list you could see Goodluck Jonathan, right? Goodluck Jonathan was once president in Nigeria, so I wonder why the calendar is still there with him. Does that mean he is supporting the movement, this very community they built in South Africa? Or, well, I see that to be just a calendar, but maybe there's something attached to it. Well, what do I know, guys? Let's keep watching the video, and please, at the end of it, I would love you to drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's get right into it, and I'll be right back.
This is a Nigerian parliament which has been set up in South Africa. It's just like Nigerians living in South Africa. They have an association. Let's say, example, is the Igbo village that they wanted to build in Ghana. So let's say they have an Igbo village in South Africa. And in that Igbo village, they have their leaders, their executives, they have their parliament, their chief, and any person that they need to have. And they even have a calendar of all these leaders. And the name on this calendar is Uchasi Family Meeting. South Africans got to see this and they versed. They are saying they won't allow Nigerians to build a village or to own a parliament in South Africa.
No, this is the Nigerian parliament in South Africa. It's those guys who made their own parliament in South Africa. So
this is the reason why we will fight tooth and nail with SA government to get rid of these people. These people must go and fix their countries. They cannot come into our country and start creating their own laws and their own states in our country. These are men that are supposed to be in Nigeria fighting Nigerian government there to ensure they get it right as a country. How is Africa going to unite when men like this, grown men like this, are running away from challenges?
Strong-looking men.
Yes. So we're going to end this madness. We're going to send all these people back home. They will be forced to build their countries screaming and kicking, whether they like it or not. And no living man will stop what we are doing. Africa must rise, and we will have to push it. For that to happen, we have to push in South Africa. We must deport each and every African in South Africa. Make sure that they go back to their respective countries to fix them. This madness must end. And when we were warning them, Uguti, we will deport them and send them back home empty-handed. It was not a joke. See now, this man used all his savings to build this thing. Now we are going to demolish it. He's going to definitely go back home empty-handed. We are not playing here.
And this is the same reasons. That is why this is the same reasons and the same things that they're doing in South Africa. That's why Ghana right now is protesting. Ghana is up in flames as we speak. They don't want Nigerians in their own country. They don't want Nigerians in Ghana right now as we speak. Nigerians went to Ghana and they started to build and establish their Igbo and traditional leadership. They said they wanted the king and the kingdom in Ghana. Ghana doesn't want them now. Now they are in South Africa. They want to build their own government. Same thing they're doing in Ghana. They are establishing their own fake parliament in South Africa. This is why we are going to take the very same stance as Ghana. We don't want Nigerians here. We don't want Nigerians in South Africa. South Africans don't want Nigerians in South Africa. They must leave.
So the Patriotic Alliance, led by Victoria Africa, decided to pull down, to bring down this Nigerian Igbo village in South Africa. And like joke, today they went there with their members, with axe, with any equipment that they could find, and started demolition the Nigerian Igbo village in South Africa.
Nigerians must leave South Africa. They must go back home. They must leave Ghana. They must leave South Africa. They must leave all African countries. Nigerians are a problem in Africa. They must leave.
We are working here, South Africa. We're doing this for our country. We're doing this for Africa. Africa will prosper. The day all Africans go home to build their own countries, to ensure that their own leaders account. They must stop leaving their own countries burning to ashes. We are fixing South Africa. Every African in South Africa must go back to their respective countries to fix them and face their own government.
They must go back home. They must go back and build Nigeria. Let them leave. Let's make them leave.
I don't know what is the place.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
He just sent.
What is it?
Come on, bros.
Send whatever it is.
There to send.
This is not the time to play. We are not joking here. We warned them. We told them that we're going to send them back home empty-handed. We've got your tools.
We've got
our tools. We as the women of South Africa.
They also included that they are even bringing a TLB, tractor loader backhoe, to actually demolish the Nigerian Igbo village in South Africa.
This is not a joke. This is not a joke.
Yeah.
We are taking it down. We are waiting for the TLB. The entire building, the entire structure will be on the ground.
Yes.
We are demolishing everything that this illegal Nigerian has built in this country by force without the landlord's permission, because their intention is not to help us build, but to come here and destroy our own country and terrorize the citizens of this country. We are saying not on our watch. They don't call us, they don't call me Victoria Africa for nothing. I'm Mother Africa. All these Africans will go home. They will go and build their countries, screaming and kicking.
All of these people are claiming to have a government of Nigerians. They are claiming to have a Nigerian state in South Africa. The very same things that Ghana residents are chasing Nigerians away from Ghana. They are doing the same in South Africa. Africa, listen to me. Africans, let me tell you something. Africa, listen to me. Africa, listen to me. If we want South Africa, if we want Africa to be free, if we want Africa to prosper, if we want Africa to be successful, Nigeria is a problem of Africa. We must do away, boycott Nigeria. Nigeria is the one that is giving Africa and the whole of African countries a bad name all over the world. We must make sure that we deal decisively with Nigerians. Nigerians are evil. Nigerians are demons. Nigerians don't have good intentions for Africa as a whole. They think they're better. They feel entitled. They think they're smart. They think that they are better than all Africans. Nigeria is a problem of Africa. Wake up, Africans. Wake up. They are a problem in Ghana. Nigerians are a problem in Ghana. Nigerians are a problem in Kenya. Nigerians are a problem in South Africa. Nigerians are a problem everywhere. Whether it's African countries, whether it's Western countries, Nigerians are a problem. They are the demons of this world.
So guys, what do you make of this story? Do you think this is pure witchcraft against Nigerians, or is a step in the right directions by the Patriotic Alliance movement?
Hey bro, seriously, if you're asking what I think about this very video, is that those South Africans have had it enough. You know, just like the way Ghanaians want Nigerians out of their countries, Nigerians have been accommodated in different countries and now they want them to return back to their home. So what's the big deal for one to say, okay, let me go back and fix my country? They love us. That's the reason why they're asking us to go back and fix the current situation happening in our country right now. You see, Nigeria is becoming, should I say, a war zone. If you check what is happening, from kidnapping to all manners of crimes happening, who are going to make that country a better place? We are the ones to make Nigeria a better place. So if we keep traveling and, you know, settling in other countries, then how would our country be better? So I think South Africans are doing the right thing, but they should take it easy. They should not hurt anybody, okay? They should just take it easy on them and do it the right way. But again, I can understand, yes. On the other hand, I can understand the reason why they are demolition, because they gave them time. They asked them to leave and they don't want to leave. So that's the reason why they are, you know, forcing them. Ah, God. I don't even know what to say at this point, guys. But now the room is open for you to let me know what you think about this very video in the comment section. Do also like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye-bye.